Hello everyone, sorry guys, little bit of delay, but we're here. I'm sorry everyone. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a bit 10 minutes delayed at least. Hello Tomato. Hello Abdel. Hello Mufti. Hello everyone, sorry guys. I'm catching up right now on a few things. A bit delayed, but I was lost in my mind. So market open lower than yesterday, than the closing of yesterday. So that's a 1 point. So we have to take care of that right now. That's very interesting, especially if we find some support there. Need to check the hour chart, which level we have. Oh, that's interesting. 548, that's the only level I have above. This can be a nice breaker test for upside momentum, guys, to go up to this level. I'm looking into it. I just need to see the stocks, what they're doing. But we are here. I'm going to open the stocks and I'm going to look for longs most probably, yeah? If the stocks are strong. If not, these things, I'm not going to take it. Just let me see as well. Everything is working out. Yes, MNQ. How is the situation? I like it. I like this long idea, guys. Even if it's everything in red, but the stocks situation is good. Looking into it, but I need to pay attention to this chart here. Look at how it came out down. And I'm gonna give it time. Just relax. Even if this longs looks honestly amazing, I have to give it a bit of time, a bit of thinking, because I just connected. I don't want to rush right now. A few are selling off there. Yeah, gonna give, even if it's Apple holding right now there. Hello everyone. Hello Abdel. Hello Mufti. Hope you're doing great, guys. Can you hear me? Yes, you can hear me. I just need to fix the microphone as well. How are you doing, guys? How are you, Mufti? Tomato? How is your trading for the moment? Did you do something, or you're just waiting right now? Everything is mostly red, so I have to really be careful about that. Even if, honestly, I'm looking at these longs and I like it more, but if I have to take a long, I might take a long right now to risk the highs. What is this? And would be, oh, that's 200. That would be just here. Oh, wow. That will be already free contracts. Alaikum salam, Fatoum. Ridwan, how are you doing, guys? Everything good? Looking, but it's not holding there. Not hold. Apple is doing totally the opposite. Selling off right now, so that's good things. I did not go long here. When I saw the heat map was all red, that was a good thing. Let's see if it grabs some liquidity and we see some reversal situation. But for the moment, we might look even for shorts because everything is red here. 441 on free micros. What the heck, man? You already made that amount of money. You're doing great. Duck race? Go to Tanja. Go to Tanja Trades. We have a news at 10 a.m. A big news, job openings as well. Go to Tanja Trades. Piece of crap. I short 3 times and worked on break even. Break even is still good than red, I would say. Yeah, I would say still you're good. Let's see right now to the. What is my? I need to open the chat from YouTube, but honestly, this short might come out to be the right idea. Apple is doing the positive, guys. Apple is holding. Yeah. The stream lagged. We're back. I connect to a different Wi-Fi. Don't trade until after 10 a.m. We're back. We're back. It was a little bit of lost connection there, but we're back. Major news. Yes, the job openings, but I was looking. Look at this. It came out to be. Look, I lose connection when the idea of long was coming there. That's how usually it works. Major news. Yes, job openings. I'm looking if I can get like a little trade. Let me see. Let me see. And right now grabbing again connection. Yeah, especially the annoying thing is that we have a different behavior all around. Something is going up, something is going up, down. Oh wait, I lost a Trader Pro connection. I have to reconnect. You cannot see my balance below. This kind of longs was my idea, but it was idea here. I waited. When it came lower, but still stocks. Google is selling off, but the others are still not great. Not great. Like Active Trader Society said, might chopped out. Let me see if wait, I need to. Okay. The connection should be okay. I'm just looking if I should change it to a different one, but we're surviving. Where is my iTrader Pro? Not loading. Look at that. Still coming back. How is the stream, guys? You let me know the moment you see that the stream is not doing very well. I still see some. Let me change again Wi-Fi, guys. Working better. I don't know, before it had a slightly problem, but we are back. Okay, now it's better, yeah. We're back, we're back. Yeah, that is a much better connection right now. So Active Trader Society is on the side of not taking any trades. That was, look at this. Let's see. I had I think the right idea of going long here when I see Apple and Amazon kind of holding. So yeah, for the moment it's gone, but we can take another one soon. 45, we have the 50 minutes range coming out right now. $50 minutes range. Here and lower. Who's taking the 50 minutes break? Good luck. You're in right now. I wish you the best. Not easy price action right now. Just be careful. I'm just waiting. Why is my iTrader Pro not loading? What the heck? Yeah, connection to server. Can you connect? Thank you. Okay, it was not loading. I thought it was loading, but it was not. So let me put you back my Tradovate Pro data below. No, what the heck I'm putting here? And it's still loading. Okay, I see. It's taking me some time to put a freaking dashboard there below. Oh, finally. Look at the beautiful push. 15 minutes break worked out very well. This trade honestly was a good idea. I liked it. I liked the idea of holding the opening print level. Being above the opening print level was the right thing. Let's see if we can get a 15 minutes range here. Retest for a quick trade. If not, we wait for the news at 10 a.m. I need to see it retest. If not, I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna try to get the entry. 15 minutes break, I think worked out, right? Abder, Radwan, who took it? Bloods, did you take other trades? Look at that push. I was on a very good idea here. Fortunately, I missed it. One, I lost connection here, and second here, I just did not trust it as much as I wanted. So we have some times, yes. Mufti is done. He's already took the trade. What did you take, Mufti? Abdel positive, let's go. What did you take, Mufti? I'm curious. The heat map is, the heat map is turning green, to be honest. A nice green heat map right now. A nice push. The opening, this range of the 50 minutes did not come back. Something stupid. Traded like an idiot and slapped myself on the face. Yeah, that was a long. First, what happened, Mufti Dikat? What did you do? Speak with us. And then, yes, the long idea was right here, honestly. Came back to the lows, come back, bouncing again, retest, and same times Apple was pushing strongly, Amazon was holding, and as well, we were starting holding as well in NVIDIA. So it came out to be a right combination of a few factors here to get this long. It didn't blow anything. No, it doesn't matter. No, yeah. We all do it, Mufti. Look at that. I wanted to take this long. I didn't take it. Why? I don't know. The risk was there. I could have risked $200. I could have risked here. Gone long here. Even here. Let's say here with the free contracts. Risk it here, free contracts. $200 stop loss, almost there, and TP will be in the high, easily $200, 1-to-1 risk reward, and I didn't do it. So something here strangely happening there. We reached my next level, 548. I just do good part. I'm done for the day, just trading some evaluation. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, my friend. Just trade as well your evaluation with relaxed mindset. I'm looking at the 548 is a great level, guys. It's a big level, 548. If we hold above for longs, it's gonna be great. If we don't, I'm not gonna take any trade trying to go long against it. Double top here. If you look at the pre-market, I mean, you might even say triple top. But it's a big level on Nasdaq. It rejected a few times in the last 2 days. Once on Friday and once on yesterday on Monday. 548. So I would say it's a good level to pay attention. I have the 613, yes, a bit slightly above. Yeah, it was man, Tomato, do you have a lagging live stream? Because you just replied, what was that? 5 minutes after it happened. Oh, I mean, 5 minutes, no, but 2 minutes at least. I'm thinking my live is going well, yes. Startup poll. Wait for news or trade before. Wait for news or you have taken trades before. Waiting. I'm just giving a poll. I took trades. So let's see how many of you already took some trades, and how many of you are just waiting for the news at 10 a.m. Five votes already. What the heck? I took trades. Okay, majority of you is I did long. That long was a good idea, man. It's gone. It's gone for me. I need to wait for the news right now. I cannot take anymore. It's 8 minutes. It's very close. Para-pa-pa, para-pa-pa. That was a really beautiful long here. This long here above the 50 minutes, it's a bit of a risky game here on a break. Up to the tick of, I would have been even a lot of stop loss. Well, that would have even been even more than a 2-to-1 risk reward, that one. I don't know, almost a 2-to-1 risk reward, I want to say. Up to the next level. Close $330 on 8 A value. Oh man, you're doing great. Break low. You're doing great. Ozek, in USA, be ready to spit blood, man. I will teach you how to train properly. I will take you to the forest and teach you how to survive with birds and animals. That's what you're gonna learn from me, Matthias. Where are you in Colombia? Hey, Steve. Yes, I'm in Colombia right now. I'm 2 hours from Medellin, in Jerez, if I said correctly the name. 80% win rate. That's what I need right now, to be honest. 80% win rate, 1-to-1 risk reward. I'm rich, guys. That's what we want right now. And you, Steve, are you still in Paraguay? Your trading was insane. And yeah, I know why it was amazing in Colombia. We know. But yeah, 50. Oh no, in the end, majority of you guys waited for the news. 54% of you waited for the news, and less of you waited for took trades. Okay, to be honest, I would have said deposit. So the majority of us waited for the news. That's very interesting. Prepare the short. I'm waiting for the news right now. It's 4 minutes more. For Abdel and Redwan, just to tell you, there is a news at 10 a.m. That's a bit critical, so be careful with the 50-minute strategy. So if you're thinking to trade it, you might look look at the fact that you're gonna have a quick one at the first moment. For the rest, we still have 3 minutes and 45 seconds. I really get a setup in the first 30 minutes anyway, and once I got within 50 minutes of news, I just accepted. I was nowhere near a setup. Wait, I rarely get a setup in the first 50 anyway. And once I got within 50 minutes of news, I just accept. I was nowhere near a setup. Okay, you mean that if you are 15 minutes close to a news, you just don't take the trades. You don't have any more setup. Even if the setup appears, there is no setup anymore. That's what you say. Well, today at 9:45, I knew I wouldn't get a setup for at least another 10 minutes. Then I will be way too close. Yeah, I get you on that. Yeah, if you're too close to a news that you like, last time I did a mistake on that. I took a trade, and then the news was a few minutes after. And if I waited the news to get the action, the first minutes of action, I could have gotten a better trade. Is that your real view in background or AI? No, it's real. It's a real view. You can see. If you watch the video of I uploaded yesterday, a few people say to me if that was a fake background. Just go to the latest video I uploaded yesterday. Few more minutes, guys. If news doesn't make a big move, I really like price around here. Critical area for longs to try and break that higher time frame flag. If they try and fail, I think a big sell-off. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting around this level here, around this area. I'm looking for whatever we're gonna get in 1 minute and 30 seconds is gonna be interesting. I'm scoring all the news to get a tip ahead of time. Oh, it's gonna move. Let's see, well, guys. I'm ready for the move. If it's gonna give us a nice price action, I might. Let's see. I have 3 macros selected. I'm ready to YOLO. Don't use the chair to eat your dessert. If not, you will be here even immediately. You hear the chair sometimes to eat your dessert. Yo, this Matthias is insane, huh? Thank you, Steve. And I hit the like button. That's the way. You hit the like button, and if you want to use, guys, my code, it's always the same one. Hamza, 80% off right now, for 2 more days, I think, or 3 more days. I'm not sure. Matthias is just thinking about Tanja Trades live stream. Man, I think you take the trades following her. Huh? You don't have a strategy. Your strategy you're gonna teach me in USA is gonna be that one. Just watch Tanja Trades. 10 seconds, guys. Three, 2, 1. Let's see. Some wick up and down. 50 minutes range here. For the moment, we're getting different vibes as well from the stocks. Apple is selling off. It's not really selling off. It's a little bit of a wick. But the rest is holding there. What is the news from the Discord? What is the Discord news? Discord news. No news yet in the Discord. Didn't move much at all. Yeah, not as we wanted. Not as we hoped, at least. My trading view is really slow compared to it. You have to as well think that if you're paying for the premium of trading view, are you paying for the pro version? Because that's as well is one factor. Yeah, I'm thinking about to go long, guys. As much as it sounds stupid. Oh, fuck. I'm going long. 200 stop loss and limit will be the highs. 267. I like it. They're holding, stocks are holding there, and right now they're pushing as well. I could have entered slightly before, but I got some finger click there. We are long, looking for that next level, again, high of the day. Retest. That NVIDIA push was interesting. I'm not paying for anything profit. No, it's because with the trading view, yes, you have data included, but I think there is still slightly a little bit of slightly delay, but you have to pay for the pro version. So if you're not caring about the fact of maybe a 1 second, 2 seconds, no, not 1 second, I don't know, but you might have to look into it. Come on, we can get a 1 to 5, no, not 1 to 5. It's up $267. Can we get this push long? That's beautiful. I will move my stop loss to break even here. To think it's worth it to risk it all of it back. Stop loss in break even. Locked, Tomato locked himself out. So let's see if we can get this push, this final push there at this next level I have. I mean, I still have not taken my profit there. Hopefully we can get a little bit of more squeeze here. You're my hero today, just following the market. How is the situation here? Can we get a little bit more push? Come on, market, a little bit more. A little bit more. Give us this last squeeze. Let's go. That was even a quick one. Let's go, guys. First trade. Let's see if we can get another one, but I will only take it we're above the level and we're holding it. Let's go. Another one. Let's freaking go. I love this long retest of the 50 minutes range, and the stocks were holding, and I had a correct risk of lower here and a 1.25 risk reward. No man. What do you mean no man? You're good. Yeah, Tomato, he said. Thank you. Good luck this morning. Yeah, to be honest, Tomato is a great trader. The only things Tomato needs to improve is accepting his red days. Because his red days, when he get a red day, he go crazy, and you make your red day from a small one to a big one. If you're really switch your mindset on that things of accepting red days, you're man, you're running. You know how to trade. You know how to make money. The market, when the market is on your side, you know how to push it. You make money from it. The only things right now you're missing is a little bit of when the market is not on your side. And then you just lock yourself out, go walk away. The next day you make money. You're gonna solve it. You're gonna solve it, my friend. You can solve it now. You have some rules. You can have a max loss. I cannot lose more than whatever, $400 on a 50K account. If you reach $400 loss on a 50K account, the moment you reach that moment, or lock yourself out, you use a tool, that you like, boom, it kick you out, you cannot trade anymore. Or two, if you cannot use a tool, the moment of you're reaching muscle loss, think about the professional trader you want to be, what will do? What are the actions that a professional trader will do when he reaches a max loss? Walk away, close his laptop, enjoy his family, enjoy his dog walk. That's what you do. And that moment you reach the moment you say, I'm a profitable trader. I am the trader I want to be. I'm gonna walk away because I respect my rules. If you just say these kind of things to your head, you're moving it to next level. Oh my guys, not even a retest of this area. We're gone skyrocketing. These longs are appearing. I think Active Trader Society is looking for longs here. If I see one of these retest level of mine, I will look long again. Beautiful, guys. These are beautiful longs. Yeah. If you can, honestly, usually I say to people, make it strong psychologically. But if you have a tool, like someone teach me, if you have a tool, use it. Help yourself. If you have a system that locks you out no matter what with a loss, lock yourself out. Go walk away. The next day is a new day. And the beautiful of respecting a max loss is that the next day, when you're gonna have a green day, is that with one green day you're gonna recover all that max loss, and you're gonna think, yes, that is the difficult side of losing days, is that when you follow your rules on a losing days, the how do you call it? The reward comes after. What is the difference? A green day reward comes in the same moment because you made money on that day. A red day, when you lose money and you respect your rules, the reward comes after a few days, because after a few days, when you have made other green days, you're like, thanks God, on Monday I respected my max loss. Now I'm already higher on my balance because I respected my rules. See the difference between a green day and a red day? Two different type of rewards. One is instant and one is a long term. Payout out there, let's go. Let's go. So happy for you, brother. Man, after a long time, let's go. Let's go, Redwan, too positive. Let's go, guys. I'm happy to hear that. Let's continue kicking it. Continue kicking it, like guys. That's what I want to see. See you tomorrow, Redwan. The Active Trader Society was already up. That was already making bank. Congratulations, everyone, guys. Good job. Good job, everyone there. We're kicking it. We're kicking it there. So let's see if we can get a retest of this 548 level. If not, I mean, this day is as well a good day. This long here was the one probably is okay for me to take. Missing these longs quite often in the last period, but this one, well, it came out to be very nice. Patience paid today, patience paid. Sempre the pre-market sell off. I sell pre-market sell off. Yeah, okay, yeah, see. This part here. Catching trend days. Welcome, everyone. Let's see if we come back to the test. The 548 would be nice. It would be very nice. I'm looking into it, and I'm looking if it does not. Let's see if the stocks they give me like a reason to enter slightly strong. Oh wow, what's happening to my? Oh, right now one of my Trader Pro just opened after 1 hour. It's connected right now. What the fuck? Colombian power. Yeah. No, it's because it's a co-living place. So you might hear sometimes the sounds. It's they're there having breakfast. As well, after this live, I'm gonna run, have some breakfast, and go back to work because I have so many meetings today. At 10 and a half, I have a meeting, and at 11, I have a meeting, and then at 12, I have a meeting. So it's like 2 hours and a half of only meetings. So it's gonna be. Yes. No. It's a calm place, guys. It's a very nice. It's co-living, people working. I love it. Good vibes. I really the vibes here are amazing. So if you hear some the background noise, it's just that. The microphone usually does the best to remove, but we have some limitation. Oh, look at that. Holding. Oh my God, guys, I'm gonna might look for longs here again. I like it. Apple is holding. Quite a few stocks are holding there. I'm just looking if the moment I see the stocks giving me some reason, Apple is still holding very nicely. Oh, man. I'm a working full-time person, guys. See you, Tomato. Have a great day. Yeah? Good job for today. Great job, I would say. Great job. I'm gonna get long, guys. This Apple is holding, and I like it. We're gonna go for the tip highs there. I'm gonna give it a stop loss. We go room there. 200. Looking for the long. That Apple was too strong, guys. It's holding and it's not giving us a pullback. And right now, look at that Amazon pushing as well. We nailed it. I like it. I would have entered anywhere here right now. So right now, let's see where it goes. Yeah, look, I was watching Apple, to be honest, very strongly because I looked Apple holding. The others are pulled back strongly, but they had a nice area of retest. So Tesla close to the VWAP, and look at that Amazon as well. On the area of VWAP, it bounced very strongly now. So let's see how it goes. Microsoft as well pushing. I like it. I really like it right now. Amazon as well, I like it. The only things I don't like about Quantower here is that it does not remove me the stop loss or the take profit when one of the two gets hit. It sounds stupid because I took them from the order section here, and they should be connected, but they are not. So kind of annoying situation there. But apart that, we're in a great trade. Mangoes. I still have yesterday. Oh my God! Yesterday I had great food. And I'm as well excited for the food of today. Everything healthy. Great food here. Love it. People are lovely. Can we get a little bit more push there? Everything looks great for a push. Your one more is the news. Okay, I see that your point. If the news was negative, yes, I guess that can be as well a bit of a tricky situation. I'm looking at now. The moment we get a nice little bit push here over 579. Let's see. If these things come back, I might cut it even shorter. cut it with a smaller stop loss. If this push is a fake push, is not a higher low. Look, we'll see. I don't like when it does that like that, so, honestly. Okay, that's kind of ugly things. Okay, looking into it. I might cut it out before. Now I'm looking into it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna cut it out before. Especially if we are below this level, I don't like it anymore. It needs to hold that level. 13 seconds, we're still holding. Nice. Can we get... Okay, I'm lagging right now. I don't know what happened there, but that was a beautiful lag situation, and something happened. If you went long there, you nailed the scalp for sure, Osek. That was a quick something happened there. I'm gonna probably call myself out of this. Don't like that Apple squeezed above, grabbed some highs, and then come back red. Still holding somehow. Keep your horses together. I'm doing my best. Right now we're still holding. I'm looking into it. We need this a bit of a squeeze right now. We need. Actually, just that is flat. I'm still in, but I'm gonna call myself out as well quick. Definitely, I won't risk anymore below this level. That's for sure. Ozek is with his 401k. Amazon's pushing. Oh my God, that's some ugly price action, by the way. Some really ugly price action there. I'm out, guys. I'm gonna call myself out of this. I don't like this anymore. I take the little loss like I took yesterday with the second trade, but we're still up $200 on the day. My loss would have been here. Let's see if I was gonna get hit. If it does rip, would have been a beautiful risk reward, but I don't like it anymore. So I'm gonna call myself out, guys. Let's see if I did good. If it gets here, then I would have getting stopped out. I'm up great on the day. Not gonna risk it, guys. 80% is still off with Apex for the last 2 days. Code Hamza as always. I'm gonna go because I have 10 minutes. 10 minutes to go, grab some breakfast, and get to my work time. So, guys, have a beautiful day. As I wish I would love to be a full-time trader, but I cannot right now. I wish you the best, and see you tomorrow, guys. It's always the same time. Good luck with the trading of today, and be safe. Be safe.